Welcome, family and friends. I'd like to thank you all for being here and sharing this very special day with Brogan and Ryan. As I look at you today, Brogan, I'm reminded of the incredible journey we've shared. I see a beautiful, amazing and strong woman, and my heart is overflowing with immense love and pride. Your dad would be so very proud of you. Ryan, I couldn't be more pleased that Brogan has chosen you to share the rest of her life with. You make her happy. What more could a mother want?
I call upon
all persons here present
to witness that I, Ryan, accept you, Brogan, as my lawful wife. I call upon all persons here present to witness that I, Brogan, accept you, Ryan, as my lawful husband.
Most of you all probably know already, but me and Ryan, we've been like best mates for the best part of probably 30 years now. From when we used to knock about on Bernard's place, on Big Swing and that, bats flying around his head. Some people even think that we're brothers around our estate. And one of the reasons might be because I called Tracy, Ryan's mum, I called them up myself.
I give you this ring as a sign of our marriage and as a symbol of my love. I promise to care for you, respect you, love you, and cherish you.
Being best mates all them years, even to working together, even living together. Dougie and Diane's, everything, we've done everything together. You know that, pal, you're watching that. I know that it is. Looking down, both of you two. What a beautiful family you're raising. You'll be proud of you as well.
As from this moment, I pronounce you husband and wife. May I kiss your wife.
Brogan, I just want to take this opportunity right now to say how stunning you look, and Ryan is 100% punching way above his weight. 100%. On that note, Ryan, you could have tried a little harder, but yeah, it's not a bad effort, and it's nice that you've once let Brogan have the attention. When Ryan asked me to be his best man, I felt honoured and instantly I thought I had to say yes, even though deep down I knew it would pay back for 6 years ago when I asked him to be my best man, and it cost him £8,500.
May your lives together be full of adventures, shared dreams, and a love that only deepens with time. To Brogan and Ryan.
I could probably go on and on. I just want to thank Ryan and Brogan for inviting us for their special day in this special country. That beautiful place. It's
been amazing. You've both done fantastic, so well done. So lastly, I wish the two of you a long and happy marriage together, and can everyone please raise a glass and celebrate. Congratulations, guys.